In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Spotify offline mode not working. So if you have the premium version of Spotify or the premium subscription of Spotify, and if you're having issues using Spotify offline, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that if the offline mode is first of all enabled. So just head over to your Spotify settings, head over to data saving and offline, and make sure that the offline mode is first of all toggle on. If your offline mode is toggled off, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, and even if your offline mode is toggled on and if you're still having issues with it, then what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So just hop out of the Spotify app, tap and hold it, and then head over to the eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you can offload the application through your iPhone storage. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear all data. You can tap on the first option, and what this will do is remove any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue, as well as it will log you out of your account. So try to log it back and try to see if the offline mode is now working. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out in this situation is make sure that the power saver mode or the battery saver mode is disabled, as well as you can try to reinstall the Spotify application onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.